When you're coding with AI, sometimes you're gonna run into bugs. And I know it can be scary and frustrating and all of the words. However, it doesn't have to be. Let's keep calm and learn how to deal with errors and debugging. So let's jump into this project that I may or may not have a build error in. I do have a build error. So as you can see highlighted here, we have an error, build unsuccessful. When you get this, don't panic. If you would like to explore what this error is, you can click on it here or you can click show logs. They bring you to this page where it will tell you what kind of error. So this is a runtime error. There are two types of errors in Lovable, a runtime error and a regular build error. Either one is fine because you can click this nifty little try to fix button. You do not have to be an engineer, nor do you need to understand what any of this means. Click the try to fix button, which is always free, and Lovable will try to fix the error all on its own. And usually it does a good job. As you can see, it has fixed the error, just like that. Keep calm and debug. I would love to give you some other tips and tricks for debugging. Sometimes things don't work as planned. When that happens, your best friend is now the chat mode. You can simply ask Lovable, like you are asking a friend, why doesn't this work? So even though this is an error that I caused, we're still going to ask Lovable what caused the error we just got. And then Lovable is going to tell us what caused the error, and it's really great because we can avoid it in the future. If you get an error that after clicking the try to fix button 1 to 3 times, you still don't know how to fix it, chat mode again becomes really valuable. My favorite way to debug is by a method that I like to call rubber ducking. So rubber ducking is a concept in software engineering where you talk to an inanimate object, usually a rubber duck sitting on your desk. But since Lovable is your full stack engineer, it understands what rubber ducking is. The best way I like to do this prompt is step 1, describe what is wrong. Then, after you describe what is wrong, you want to describe the way that it should be. And the last step is to simply say, rubber duck yourself. This allows Lovable to first think through the issue, come up with a solution, and then think step by step in how to implement that. And of course in chat mode, at the end, you're gonna implement the plan button, which you can click. This solves 90% of debugging issues. If you continue to run into errors, that's okay. Keep calm. Lovable has access to your edge function logs as well as your console error logs. So there's no need to go into Supabase or into your dev tools if you even know what that is. And screenshot things and copy and paste. You can simply tell Lovable, hey, can you check the console error logs? We're getting this problem. You can also take screenshots for when you're having UI issues. Maybe this button is supposed to do something and it doesn't. I can take a screenshot, add it by clicking the attach button, attach that screenshot easily, and say, hey, actually, when I click this button, it's supposed to do X, Y, and Z. And Lovable will look at it, it will look through your code, and it will come out with a plan to fix it. So don't worry when you run into errors. Just keep calm and debug. Trust your try to fix button and your trusty rubber duck, and you'll make it through all right.